You so nasty. Give Tiana the complete seasoning, Taisha. So my daughter got this from Publix, and it was like $12, and she wanted to cook this herself, Tiana, which I'm so proud of her. She cooked this herself in the microwave, but she said that it needed some seasoning, and she wanted me to make pasta like this, which I could never make pasta like this. Every time I cook my Alfredo noodles, they never come out right. Go ahead and sprinkle the black pepper.
I gotta do cooking. Gotta feed myself.
You gotta feed yourself? Yeah. Okay, you getting older. Put some more. Put some more.
I need to learn how to cook.
Okay, that's good.
Next, complete seasoning.
Okay.
No.
You only need a little.
No.
You gonna put it on? Go ahead, sprinkle it. A little bit more. Okay. Now we're gonna stir it up to give it the seasoning, to give it the taste. And y'all, she did a good job doing this on her own. So proud of her.